महाराष्ट्र राज्य स्टेट बोर्ड एग्जाम स्टँडर्ड 10 जॉमेट्री रिव्हिजन व्हिडिओज च्या सत्रामध्ये आपलं मनापासून स्वागत करतोय. आपण कोऑर्डिनेट जॉमेट्री याचे व्हिडिओज क्रमानं करत आहोत. यापूर्वीच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण बाय युजिंग डिस्टन्स फॉर्म्युला हाउ टू फाइंड आउट द टाइप ऑफ द ट्रायंगल हा ग्रुप आपण बघितलेला आहे. आज आपण when 4 vertices are given, 4 points are given and coordinates are given, 4 बिंदू आणि त्याचे कोऑर्डिनेट्स सहनिर्देशक दिलेले आहेत. तर व्हॉट इज द टाइप ऑफ दॅट क्वाड्रिलॅटरल, त्या चौकोनाचा प्रकार ओळखायचा आहे. फर्स्ट एक्झाम्पल we have to show that it is a parallelogram. Second example, we have to prove that it is a rhombus. Third example, we have to show that it is a rectangle. Next example, we have to prove that it is a square. And in the last example, 4 points are given. You have to find out the quadrilateral, the type of the quadrilateral. What is the type? What is the type of that quadrilateral? So this group, to solve this group, we are going to use again distance formula. And in addition to that, we must know about the property. So first, parallelogram. We have to prove that parallelogram. You can draw the rough diagram there. You can see that you can draw the rough diagram for the solution of the first example. What is the name there? P, Q, R, S. And coordinates are there given. What are the coordinates? 2, -2. Q, it is 7, 3. R, it is 11 minus 1. S, coordinates are 6 minus 6. And remember the property of parallelogram. Opposite sides are equal, parallel. Opposite sides are equal, parallel. So, to prove that opposite sides are equal, try to find out the distance PQ. Then you find out distance SR. And to calculate distance PQ, use distance formula. So to calculate PQ, number 1, to calculate PQ, you are using distance formula. So this is PQ. So take this second point, x2 minus x1. Remember that x2 minus x1 bracket square. So see that you are using x2 minus x1 bracket square and y2 minus y1 bracket square and substitute the value 7 minus 2. x2 minus x1, 7 minus 2, that is 5, and 5 square you know that it is 25. Similarly, 3 minus 2, it is plus. 3 plus 2, 5. So what is the square there? 5 square, it is 25. So you are getting the length of PQ, it is under root 50. Then you calculate length of SR. You can calculate the length of SR or RS. See that how to calculate length of SR or RS. So what is the next opposite side? SR. Calculate SR by using same formula, x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. You can see that SR, if this is your first point, this is your second point, 6 minus 11. Remember 6 minus 11, it is, what is that? -5 and square 25 minus 6 plus 1, it will be minus 6 minus 1 plus 1. So what is the difference there? Minus 5. Square is 25. Remember that 6 minus 11, you are getting 5, minus 5, and square is 25. Minus 6 minus 1, you are getting minus 5, square is 25. So again you are getting under root 50. The SR you are getting under root 50. You are using the distance formula properly and calculate that SR is under root 50. Similarly, next point you can write that PQ and SR are equal. But before that, you can see that the third point, PS, calculate PS. How to calculate PS? This is your first point, this is your second point, x2 minus x1. So, if I write like this, 6 minus 2 bracket square plus minus 6 minus 2 bracket square, that is the value of PS. In short, 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 square is 16. 6 minus 2, 4. 4 square is 16. Plus, this is becoming positive plus 2. Minus 6 and plus 2. Difference is minus 4. It is again 16. So, under root 32. Under root 32. And in the, what is that? Fourth step, find out QR. Find out QR. Same formula, distance formula. You can see that x2 minus x1, 11 minus 7 is 4. It is 16. It is 16. And y2 minus y1 minus 1 minus 3 minus 4. And it is square 60. So you are getting root 32. So very interesting. By observation, you can write PQ and SR are equal. That is the next observation. PQ is equal to SR and PS is equal to QR. You can write further. Opposite sides of this quadrilateral are congruent, equal, so it is a parallelogram. It is a parallelogram. So we are using distance formula properly, and if you use the distance formula properly, you can decide the nature, the type of that quadrilateral by using the property of that quadrilateral. You remember that parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. Now, for rhombus, what can be done there? Rhombus साठी तुम्हाला काय सिद्ध करावे लागेल? All sides are equal. So in that case, you calculate AB by using distance formula. You calculate BC by using distance formula. You calculate CD by using distance formula. Then you calculate AD, and you are finding all segments are equal. Then you can write down it is the rhombus. So this is the technique. In all examples, you are going to use the distance formula properly. That is very important. So for this second example, find out all sides. Then in the third one, you are going to prove that it is a rectangle. So again find out property of rectangle. Opposite sides are equal and diagonals are equal. So see that in this example, you have to calculate 4 segments AB, BCs, or what is that, PQ, QR, RS and PS. But another step, you have to calculate the diagonals there. 2 diagonals are there, and see that they are congruent. Then you can find out whether it is a rectangle. If it is rectangle, you can write down rectangle. And if the question is show that it is rectangle, so you must get the property of rectangle there. Opposite sides are equal and diagonals are counted. So that is the technique here. So this is the group of quadrilateral. To decide the nature of the quadrilateral by using the distance formula. So we have solved the first example. आपण पहिले एक्झाम्पल सॉल्व केलेले आहे. आता आपण कुठलं एक्झाम्पल सॉल्व करायचं आपण बघू शकतो. आपल्याला रॉम्बस हे सॉल्व करायचं आहे. तर व्हॉट इज दॅट फॉर द रॉम्बस? We have to show that it is a rhombus. So draw the simple diagram. You know the property of rhombus. All sides are equal. Give the name A, B, C, D. What are the coordinates of A? -4, -7. Coordinates of B? -1, 2. Coordinates of C? 8, 5. Coordinates of D? 5, -4. So immediately start finding the length of each segment. To show that it is a rhombus, first you calculate AB. What is that? AB. This is your second point. x2 minus x1. Remember that you are using the distance formula. This is your second point. So x2 minus, so you are getting -3. And you know that -3 square is 9 plus 2 minus 7. So it is negative, it will become positive. 2 plus 7, 9. 9 square is 81. So you are getting, I think, 90, root 90. So again calculate BC there. BC 8 minus 1, 9. 9 square is 81. 2 second by 2. 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2, 3. 3 square is 9. You are getting root 90. Similarly, calculate CD there by using the same formula, distance formula. What is that? This is your second suppose point DC. Second point 8 minus 5, 3. 3 square is 9. Then 5 minus 4 plus, it will become 9. 9 square is 81. So you are getting root 90. Similarly, calculate AD by using the distance formula. What is that? AD x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. But there is under root. So 5 minus 4 plus, it will become 9. 9 square is 81. And -4 and -7, what is the difference there? You have to calculate that. y2 minus y1, but it is becoming positive. -4 plus 7, 3 is there. 3 square is 9. So again you are getting under root 90. So you can write further AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD. All sides are equal. So it is a rhombus. All sides are equal. It is a rhombus. Same time, example is fourth one. You have to show that all sides are equal. Same method. You remember the property of square. All sides are equal and diagonals are counted. So let us try to solve this fourth one example. Let us try to solve fourth one example. We have to show that it is a square. Rough diagram, draw, it is the square. What is that? We have to show that it is a square. Name ABCD. A, B, C, D. What are the coordinates there? A coordinates 4 minus 1. B coordinates 6, 0. C coordinate 7 minus 2. D coordinates 5 minus 3. First, remember the property of square. AB, BC and CD and AD, all sides are equal. Calculate first AB. 6 minus 4, 2. 2 square is 4. So you can find out AB by using the distance formula. 6 minus 4 is 2, 2 square is 4, plus 0 minus 1 it is plus 1, square is 1. So what is the side AB? Root 5. BC, you can calculate BC by using distance formula. 7 minus 6 is 1, 1 square is 1, plus minus 2 minus 0. It is minus 2 square is 4, so you are getting root 5. Similarly, you calculate DC, you calculate AD, you can calculate AD, 5 minus 4, what is that? 1, square is 1, plus minus 3 minus 1 plus, it is becoming plus, minus 2, square is 4, so you are getting root 5. Calculate DC also. DC is 7 minus 5, it is 2, 2 square is 4, plus minus 2 minus 3, it will be plus there. So minus 2 minus 3 plus 1, what is that? Minus 2 plus 3, it is 1, 1 square is 1. So we are getting all sides are equal. Now we have to calculate AC there. AC is diagonal, so calculate AC by using distance formula. 7 minus 4, 3, 3 square is 9, and minus 2 minus 1, take the difference there, minus 2 minus, it will become plus, so minus 2 plus 1 minus 1 square, it is under root 10. Now similarly find out BD also, the length of BD, diagonal, next diagonal, you can see that 6 minus 5, 1 square is 1, 0 minus 3 plus 3 it will become, and square is 9, so under root 10. So you can write here all sides are equal and diagonals are equal, so it is a square. So in the third example also, say that you are going to prove that it is a rectangle. For that, use distance formula, calculate opposite sides, see that opposite sides are equal and diagonals are equal. Then it is a rectangle. After that, by using the same distance formula, you have to decide the nature, the type of the quadrilateral. For that, find out how are the opposite sides. या quadrilateral मध्ये तुम्ही बघा की AB ची लेंथ, BC ची लेंथ, CD ची लेंथ आणि AD ची लेंथ by using distance formula calculate करा आणि you can see that opposite sides are equal, and if opposite sides are equal, straight way you can write that it is a parallelogram. So by using distance formula, properly distance formula, this is interesting group for you. 4 vertices are given, and you are going to decide, you are finding the type of the quadrilateral. For that, remember the properties of quadrilateral. Parallelogram, remember that it is important, opposite sides are equal, opposite sides are parallel, and you are using the property of opposite sides are equal. For the next one, rhombus, what is that? For the next one, rhombus, you are going to prove that all sides are equal. That is the next example, all sides are equal. And in the third one, rectangle, what is the rectangle there? Opposite sides are equal, rectangle, and diagonals are equal. Third example, what is that third example? P, Q, R, S. Third example, you can see that P coordinates are 2, 1, Q coordinates -1, 3. R coordinates -5, -3, and S coordinate -2, -5. So say that PQ find out, then you find out SR. You can try to find out -1, -2, -3, bracket square, it is 9. 9 plus 3 minus 1, it is 2, 2 square. So this is the side PQ, it is under root 13. Then you calculate SR also, -5 minus 2 plus it will become. So it is 3 there, 3 square is 9 plus -3 minus 5 plus 5, it is becoming 2. 2 is there, 2 square. So you are getting under root 13, under root 13. So opposite sides are equal. Similarly, find out the side, what is that, QR, by using the distance formula. Second coordinate x2, first coordinate x1, -5 minus 1, -4 square is 16 plus -3 minus 3 minus 6, it is 36. So you can see that it is under root 16 plus 36. Let us find out the side PS by using the same formula, -2 minus 2. x2 minus x1, -4 bracket square, it is 16 plus -5 minus 1, -6 bracket square 36. So you are getting opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal. Then you calculate PR. It is the diagonal of this quadrilateral. What is that? -5 minus 2 minus 7 bracket square. It is 49. -3 minus 1 minus 4 bracket square. It is 16. Then you calculate QS. What about the QS there? -1 minus 2. It is definitely plus 1. -1 minus -2 plus 1. Plus 1 square is 1 plus 3 minus 5. It will become plus. So 3 plus 5, 8. What is that? It is 64. What is the value of the first diagonal PR? It is, you can see that root 65, and QS you are getting root 65. So you are proving that opposite sides are equal by using distance formula. Opposite sides are equal by using distance formula. By finding the length of diagonal PR, by finding the length of QS, you are finding that diagonals are equal. So in this example, you can definitely see that proper application of distance formula and properties of rectangle. Remember that you can solve each example by using distance formula properly and knowing the properties of quadrilateral. That is very, very important. So try to see that this is another group. Before this video, it was triangle there. त्रिकोणाच्या टाइपचा विचार करायचा होता आणि या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण 4 vertices are given. We are going to prove that what is the type of the quadrilateral. But what is common there? You are using the distance formula. Okay. Next video we are using the distance formula to find out the property of equidistance. So that will be in the next video. So this is the revision from the coordinate topic, use of distance formula to know the type of quadrilateral.